Hey there, it's Steve at the auto station. You know what? Everyone's out there looking at the gas prices the way they are, and I got everyone coming in. We got a lot of folks coming in saying, "Listen, what do I got to do to get my car a little bit more, fuel efficient? What do I got to do to get the sort of my mileage back up to where it was when the car was new?" So the things that we do, obviously, we talk about a tune-up, make sure the car's set right, make sure you get oil changes done, make sure all that sort of variable valve timing, which drives off of oil, all of that stuff is working and the oil is as clean as possible. Simple little things like oil filter here. Change an air filter, that can make a big difference in what you're burning in terms of gas. Spark plugs, general turn up. But one of the things that we like to do, this is an induction cleaning process that we have. It's a fuel cleaner. It gets in with the air, mixes up, and it takes all the dirty carbon deposits, the varnish, the sludge, everything that builds up in that air intake system. This product here gets that out of there. So basically speaking, the car can breathe a little easier. So when you get the air filter change, you get the spark plugs in, you get the sort of cleaning product in, which is a critical maintenance component of anyone who's running a GDI motor. Get this stuff done, guess what? Your mileage is going to go up. You get to the pump, you're still paying that huge amount of money for a liter of fuel, but it's going to go a little further, so that'll help get your cost down. So you want to get your car down, you want to just get it running great, which is a good reason to come in as well, just to get your car in great shape. Come on and see us. Be happy to help you with it. Steve at the Auto Station.